Leonardo Agropuzzle is the name of the project which started on the 17th of October 2010. It was the meeting of 5 partners. The main aim of this project was to present different ways of agrobusiness in the field of agriculture in each country and to compare them, and further to see the UNESCO sites and Natura 2000 protected areas, as these two also affect this kind of business. After welcoming the partners, the week full of interesting activities could commence. The mayor of the town, Levice, greeted everybody, and then we spent Tuesday in Banská Štiavnica, the historical center of this town, together with technical remains, were listed in UNESCO in 1993. The region is well known for mining, which has been developing there since the Middle Ages. We visited old mines, manually dug tunnels, chimneys and mining. All this was accompanied by an interesting commentary and by watching a film about the history of mining and its contemporary challenges. Another UNESCO monument we visited that day was the Calvary, with astonishing views over the town. During the next stop of our mobility in Slovakia, we went to see the Heinel Mill. It is a cottage where the owners apply the principle of permaculture. It is a system which has its specific protecting nature design, regenerating damaged and producing maintainable. It can be applied in every country of the world. It develops right relationships and forms functionable groups. The basic framework for such design is ethics. Levoča, the town listed as the world's cultural heritage, was the aim of our visit the following day, on Thursday. It has rich history and interesting architecture. Levoča Square belonged to the biggest squares in Slovakia from the Middle Ages. In its middle there are the main buildings, the Renaissance Town Hall, the Bell Tower, and the Cathedral of St. Jacob, with a unique collection of Gothic open altars. There is a museum dedicated to Master Paul from Levoča in the house where he lived and worked. The last day of our meeting was in Bardejov. We had a look around one of the prettiest squares in the Slovak Republic. The town hall and the Basilica of Saint Egidius dominated the square. We also visited the nearby spa healing center. It also offers nice walks and other possibilities to relax in its well-groomed parks. There is also a museum of folk architecture in the spa area. As the last part of the program, we went to the educational and cultural center where we could try some traditional crafts. At the end of each day, students and teachers processed the acquired information. All participants worked within international groups with the focus on creating new and supplementary studying materials and worksheets, which are useful for the specialized subjects connected with management and developing agriculture and services in the field of agrotourism.